For a bigger backside, guys, we're gonna be making use of olive oil. Olive oil is a great remedy to trigger the skin, and then it's just going to increase your backside. It's gonna help to make it round, remove bumps, and remove stretch marks on your backside. And then we're gonna be making use of petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline. Now this is also a great moisturizing. This is going to trigger the skin with the help of other natural ingredients I'm going to be using. Is going to make it work really fine and really fast. And then we're going to also be making use of fenugreek seed. Now fenugreek seed helps so much for the boobs and also for the skin. It helps to increase the size of the boobs, and it will therefore helps also in increasing the size of the backside. So when we use this with the other ingredients, it's going to help in increasing the size of the backside and also smoothing it. Then we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a great remedy for the skin. So using aloe vera alongside with fenugreek seed is going to be helpful. Okay, so we're gonna use this, and it's going to help so much in smoothing the skin. I'm gonna be needing blender, and I'm gonna be pouring in the fenugreek seed. Okay, so for the aloe vera, we're gonna be making use of this. So I'm going to peeling the seed off. So I'm going to first of all blend this, and then after I'm going to be putting the gel. Alright, so this is the blended fenugreek seed, and now I'm just going to be putting in the aloe vera and blend it. So here's the blended fenugreek seed and aloe vera. Okay, although not properly like blended to smooth because my blender is huge. Should have been better I'd use a smaller blender. Alright, so this is how it looks like, and now I'm gonna be putting in a little bit of petroleum jelly. and 1 full tablespoon of olive oil.